So, my name is Andrea Gel Armativo, and I'm 6 years old. And today I'm gonna teach you how to play "God Is So Good" in the ukulele. We're gonna use nine chords, but for the change key, we're gonna do some other chords. But don't worry, we will go real slow until you can master the whole piece. So our chords we're using today is C, G, G7, C7, and S. So those are our chords for the three stanzas. But for the change key, we're gonna use D and D7, and then we're gonna use A and then A7. So our strumming today, it's gonna be down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's start with C, and then let's do the strumming. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, Okay, so let's first start with the first stanza, and we're gonna go real slow. God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. He's so good to me. He took my sin. He took my sin. He's so good. He's so good to me. Now I am free. God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. He's so good to me. Okay, so did you notice the change key? It was so easy, right? So let's try and do it a little bit faster, and let's see if you memorize it. is so good is sounding like this. He's so good to me. Okay, so that's all we have today, and I hope you can thumbs up and hit the bell button. Bye.